So it's kind of a decision time. I have kind of a list of things I gotta figure out because I'm running out of time and I need to order parts. The wheels, I can't decide if I should do kind of the 15-inch 7 or 15 by 7 inch wheels or go with a bigger style wheel. The bigger style would mean I could do the disc brakes in the rear. I think the original style I'm stuck with drums, which is probably okay really. And I kind of like the look of the 15-inch with the bigger tire than the newer style. Since it's a Rockford tribute car, I'm still going to do that. I think Rally 2 is what they call them. So it's kind of that 5-spoke. And then tires will kind of depend on what rim. And so that's kind of, you know, my struggle trying to decide which way to go. The price is kind of similar. The next thing would be the brakes. I need to do disc brakes in the front. Then with the wheel combo, I'll know what brakes to do in the rear. I don't know if you have suggestions on that. If I go with the stock drum, I'm missing everything. I know there's like some metal brackets and stuff. If I get a kit, it comes with all like the springs and other things, but it doesn't come with like the hardware, you know, those big brackets and whatnot. Kind of like that guy. There's a few other things, you know, like the, what is that, the adjuster. I don't think that comes. It just comes with the springs and pads. And this is too new of a axle to swap over, unfortunately. So I might just go with disc because I don't have anything to go back to drums with, really. What are your thoughts? The paint. Would really like to do the Rockford color, but that's going to run me about $1,000 on the cheap paint at Nampa. There's a guy online that has some real cheap gold that I might go with because it's like $150. And I've never painted a car by myself, and so I'm not sure which way to go there. Probably be the budget way. The radiator, I think I'm probably going to do a 3-core. I only have a 400 in this, so hopefully that'll be alright. I guess the next decision is if people have any ideas on suspension work. I was thinking about using kind of basically stock for now until I can afford to get something nicer in the future and kind of decide, you know, where it's lacking. The exhaust, I think I'll probably do the original style back here. Right now I have these monster tubes. We'll see from there how loud they'll be once I get a motor in here. And then the wiring, I've been going back and forth on that. I think I'm probably going to use a generic newer style wiring just because everything's been stripped out, so I don't have anything original really. And I think having the newer fuses is probably a better route at this point, since it's, you know, it's just a fun car. I just want to have fun, drive it, and not too worry about originality. What are your guys' thoughts? Have any tips? Did I miss anything? I got about a month and a half to get this done, so any thoughts would be great. Thanks. Bye. I have this rat's nest that I can maybe make work for the Firebird. Not sure what it's out of or where it came from, but I have it. So I might try to make this work because I have it. So I wouldn't have to buy a new one.